Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to insert chart in Excel from mobile phone. Yes, using mobile phone we can create multiple types of chart for office and school purposes. Using the chart we can able to analyze the database for the office and school purposes. Yes, in this video I would like to share how to insert chart in Excel from mobile phone. Let's see how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe HowXT channel and click the bell icon so that you can get the useful videos and the notification. From your mobile, just go to Play Store and search the application called Excel, that is Microsoft Excel View Edit. This is a freeware from Microsoft Office. If you want to know how to install and how to access, just click the description links, you know about all the details. Yes, now I just click the open button, automatically my Excel sheet will be open here. Yes, so I already created different kind of documents that Excel sheets will be displayed over here. Using the Play Store you can able to open, otherwise if you install the application means the application will be like the green color button. Just to click the button, automatically it will open here. So this is my Excel sheet. If you want to create a new sheet you can hit the plus button. So I have already created the Excel book which has employee details with the salary detail in sheet 1, employee details and employee salary will be there. So I would like to create both for the chart option. So using the chart we can analyze all the details. Yeah, so now I would like to create a chart for the particular students details. If my suggestion, I want to change a chart, is a different kind of chart is available, bar chart, line chart and different kind of charts will be available for the analyze purposes. I just select a name, from the name to subject, just to drag, automatically it will be select. Using your finger you can able to drag and drop, automatically the detail will be select overall there. Yes, so now I have selected. So this is my database content. Yes, now I would like to insert the chart. So how to go to insert menu? On the top you will find a and pencil box. Just to hit the button, automatically the menu bar will come on the downside. Yeah, you will find a home and insert, draw, formulae, data, review, view, everything will be there. Now I would like to insert the chart option. Just to hit the button, insert. Insert has a different kind of menus, table, data, picture, everything. Now I would like to create a chart. Just to hit the button, chart will contain different kind of chart option. As I said, column, line, pie, bar, area, everything. So for this students purpose of mark sheet, each and every people will use column chart or bar chart, which has easily identify the details and easily identify the content details. I just hit the button column details. I can choose a different kind of column which has menus with as different kind of color bars. I just select the first chart. Yes, the chart is applied over here. The students with a student's details, for example Arun, Ajay, Alex, Adric and Andrew, Vinod and Sham, they have gained the marks and mark statements and who are the highest percentage, everything will be there. So I can able to understand and analyze. Yes, now I would like to change the color, I would like to change the layout, everything we can able to do it from the system itself. You can able to do from the mobile phone itself, you can able to do that. Yes, the type, the first is the type of the chart will be available. If you want to change the line chart or column chart, pie chart, everything will be changed over here. Yeah, so similarly whatever types of chart is available you can choose according to your needs. So I have changed the type and the layout of the chart is available. If you want to change the layout, you can change the layout and the colors, the color combination, monochromatics and whatever color you want to give for your analytics, you can able to give your colors. Color combination will be available using the colors. See example, for your language color is blue, so the language, all the blue colors will be displayed over. Automatically this color will be applied to the Excel sheets. This is the latest one. Using the mobile phone you can able to get and analyze. And yellow color for the subject 2. So who are the highest mark for the Andrew? He got the highest mark in 98 for the blue color, that is a language mark is 98, he got it, so that he can able to get the mark statements. Yes, so similarly the chart title you can able to change. So whatever titles you want, you can change according to your needs. I can edit and give my title of the chat box. So this is a easy series 1 and series 2, series 3. You can able to give the name of the series. For example, this series, the name will be changed like that. You can able to edit all the details so that you can able to analyze and you can able to keep the chart wherever you want. So that this is an easy step. You can create and insert the chart option. Yes, so now I would like to show you how to create a line chart for the salary purposes. So in book 1 itself, I have created the sheet 2, so which contain employee details and employee salary. I can select particular employees with a salary. Yes, I have selected the particular employees details. I don't select the totals. I just hit the button insert and click the chart option. You can able to have a different kind of chart, line chart. I can choose a chart box. Yes, using the chart I can able to analyze how many salary, how many expenses I had did, and the color and style, whatever styles I can give. With the style I can able to understand the details of the chart details. Yeah, so the 46,000 for A, 59,000 for B, everything, the chart details will be available. Using the chart you can able to analyze and you can show the without data. Using the chart itself you can analyze and give your official information to your clients. So this is an easy purpose. While you are typing all the details, automatically the saving option for the book 1 saving, so automatically it will save. Do not save anything, automatically it will save while you are creating the chart. So don't worry about the details. Automatically whatever information you will creating, everything will be saved over here. Without any saving you cannot able to close. Automatically the drive will save your informations. So sheet 1 I have created the chart for the students purpose. Sheet 2 I have created for the employee purpose. This is used for your school or college project purpose as well as your office purpose for giving information. Without laptop you can able to create your own chat option using the Excel sheet. Thanks for watching. Have a great and good day.